Assalamualaikum everyone. Eid Mubarak. I'll be making Sheer Kumar. Here I have Vermicelli, dates, pistachio, cashew nuts, almond, fresh coconut, raisins, green cardamom powder, butter, ava milk, fresh cream and condensed milk. Let the milk boil. And now pour in ava milk and now add butter to a non-stick pan. Keep the butter in till liquid form. Add dry fruits and dates. When slightly golden, bring it out. Now add 1 tablespoon butter for vermicelli. Keep stirring till roasted and now pour in condensed milk in the boiled milk. Vermicelli is done. Now add cardamom powder and keep stirring. Remember, this is milk, so you have to be patient. Add the dry fruits, leave some for garnishing. Keep stirring and add vermicelli. I forgot to mention cream. Now add the cream after a while. Keep stirring. Now turn off the flame. For good scent, add rose water or curd essence. Now use the remaining dry fruits as garnishing. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on this channel for more varieties of delicious recipes. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Assalamu alaikum.